Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're exploring Nice, the sparkling heart of the French Riviera. Where the Mediterranean's blue meets the vibrant colors of southern France, Nice is more than just a pretty picture. This city blends Italian elegance with French charm, creating a unique atmosphere that's captivated visitors for centuries. Imagine strolling along a grand seaside promenade, then getting lost in pastel-colored streets. This is the daily rhythm of Nice. Whether you crave sun-drenched beaches, historic sights, or delicious food, Nice has it all. The city's magic has drawn everyone from English aristocrats to artists like Matisse. Getting here is a breeze. The Nice Côte d'Azur airport is just minutes from the city center. No long transfers, just a quick tram ride and you're ready to explore. Nice is the perfect starting point for your French Riviera adventure. So slow down, breathe in the sea air, and let Nice welcome you with open arms. From relaxation to discovery, this city invites you to enjoy every moment. Ready to see what makes Nice unforgettable? Let's dive in. Our journey begins on the legendary Promenade des Anglais, the city's vibrant seaside heart. Here, locals and visitors stroll, cycle, and relax on iconic blue chairs, soaking in the Bay of Angels. Next, we wander into Vieux Nice, the Old Town, a maze of narrow, colorful streets buzzing with artisan shops and lively cafes. Lose yourself in its energy and discover something new around every corner. For the best view, climb Castle Hill. The castle is gone, but the summit offers panoramic vistas of the promenade, red-tiled roofs, and bustling port. It's the perfect spot for photos and a quiet moment above the city. Don't miss the Cours Soleil market, where mornings burst with flowers and fresh produce. Taste local cheeses, olives, and spices, or browse antiques on Mondays. This market is the beating heart of local life, a feast for the senses. Whether you're people-watching or sampling treats, you'll feel the authentic spirit of Nice. Every step here connects you to the city's vibrant past and present. Ready for more? Let's explore Nice's flavors and hidden gems. Onward! Nice's cuisine is a delicious blend of French and Italian flavors, focused on fresh local ingredients. Try a real salade niçoise, crispy soca hot from the oven, or a savory pissaladière tart. For a quick bite, grab a pomme bagnate, salade niçoise in a sandwich, or sample the sweet tourte de blette. Exploring bakeries and food stalls is a tasty adventure in itself. Art lovers, don't miss the Musée Matisse and Musée Marc Chagall, celebrating the artists inspired by Nice's light and color. These museums offer a peaceful escape and a deeper look at the city's creative soul. To find Nice's true charm, wander off the beaten path. Explore quiet streets behind the port, discover antique shops, or relax in a family-run cafe. Visit the Cimiez neighborhood for Roman ruins and tranquil gardens. Sometimes the best memories come from simply watching the world go by. Nice's hidden corners reveal its authentic spirit. Savor every moment, there's always something new to discover. Now let's head outdoors. The area around Nice is a paradise for outdoor lovers. Hike the Sentier littoral coastal path for breathtaking sea views, or stroll to Villefranche-sur-Mer for a scenic adventure. Beaches offer paddleboarding, kayaking, and more. Just remember, they're pebbly, so bring water shoes. Getting around is easy. Walk the city center, hop on the modern tram, or use the bus to reach nearby towns. A multi-day transit pass makes exploring simple and affordable. Learn a few French phrases. Bonjour and merci go a long way. Wear comfy shoes for those charming, winding streets. Keep an eye on your belongings, as you would in any city. Nice is more than a destination. It's an experience of sun, sea, and vibrant energy. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring art, or hiking the coast, you'll make unforgettable memories. So pack your bags and bring your sense of adventure. The jewel of the French Riviera is waiting for you. Your adventure starts now.